Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study from Google. First, begin your learning journey by typing broad search terms into the search bar. This initial step helps you gain a general understanding of your topic. Next, refine your search by adding more specific keywords and phrases. For instance, if you are researching photosynthesis, you might add light-dependent reactions to focus your results. Remember to use quotation marks around exact phrases to find precise matches. Once you have your search results, it is crucial to evaluate the credibility of each source. Always check the author's credentials, the publication date, and the website's domain. Prioritize academic sources often found on edu or gov websites for their reliability. You can also use advanced search operators like typing cite, Wikipedia, org before your query to search within a specific website, or file type, PDF, to find documents. After gathering information, the next step is to organize it effectively. Take detailed notes, summarizing the key points in your own words to enhance understanding and retention. Consider creating outlines or mind maps to visually structure complex topics and show relationships between ideas. Actively engage with the material by formulating questions as you read and then searching for their answers, which deepens your learning. Finally, to truly master your subject, practice and apply what you have learned. Test your understanding regularly using practice questions or by quizzing yourself on key concepts. A highly effective method is to explain the concepts to someone else. This process reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Furthermore, try to apply the information to real-world scenarios or problem-solving, reinforcing your learning and making it more practical.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.